Helping others. Once there was a small boy named Warner. He belonged to a poor family. One day he was crossing through the forest carrying some wood. He saw an old man who was very hungry. Warner wanted to give him some food, but he did not have food for his own. So he continued on his way. On his way, he saw a deer who was very thirsty. He wanted to give him some water, but he did not have water for himself. So he went on his way ahead. Then he saw a man who wanted to make a camp, but he did not have woods. Warner asked his problem and gave him some woods to him. In return, he gave some foods and water. Now he went back to the old man and gave him some food and gave some water to the deer. The old man and the deer were very happy. Warner then happily went on his way. However, one day Warner fell down the hill. He was in pain, but he couldn't move and no one was there to help him. But the old man who he had helped before saw him. He quickly came and pulled him up to the hill. He had many wounds on his legs. The deer whom Warner had gave some water saw his wounds and quickly went to the forest and brought some herbs. After some time, his wounds were covered. All were very happy that they were able to help each other. Moral: if you help others, then they will also help you.